Get ready, lefties. We got you covered.
Alright, so this is the DELUX M627S gaming mouse. It has the 3389 sensor. It's wired and it goes up to 16,000 DPI. It's ambidextrous, and I guess that's the key point that they're trying to make with this mouse. Not something I'm enjoying, that's for sure. What else can I say about it? It comes with these weird interchangeable plates. I'm sure you saw that. There's 4 of them, make it different sizes and different weights too. There's a couple little extra weights too came with it. My experience is I'm not a fan of the ambidextrous design, mostly because I understand now what lefties probably go through, so I never really thought about it, but I can barely even pick this thing up or move it at all without accidentally clicking the buttons on the right side. It's fairly okay for the gaming aspect. If I can get past that, I might be able to do a little better. It's pretty. It's got some very finer points to it, that's for sure. It's not for everybody.
Alright, so as we check out the software here, looks like on your basic settings, you have basic settings, key settings, light settings, macro settings. You have 3 different profiles you can save. You can delete them. Looks like, me, 1600. It was originally set for 1,000, 2,000, 4,000, 8,000, and 16,000. I changed the 2,000 to 1,600 because that's how I pretty much game. So Also went into the light settings. I was kind of disappointed there's no unicorn puke. If there is, I ain't been able to find it anyway. So I just went, we have the static, breathing, neon are off. So I just went with neon. What other options do we really want to talk about? Key settings, since it's ambidextrous, it's a nerve-wracking thing because I'm right-handed, but the right side of my hand is hitting the buttons that the left-handers would be hitting on accident. So these buttons are really clicky and really kind of light and easy to click. So that's a good thing if it wasn't ambidextrous and had buttons on both sides. But I understand, left-handed people game too. They should have it where you can move the button from one or turn them off on one side or something. They may have it and they just haven't found the option, but so far it doesn't seem that way. Macro settings, I don't mess with macros, so I'm not really going to do much of anything with that. And that's pretty much it.
Alright, so final thoughts. For the price that I paid, $13, you're getting a whole lot. Getting a lot of mouse, a lot of extra stuff. Extra buttons, yay, right? But no, honestly, you got software, which you typically don't get at that price point. If you do, it's not very good, but this one seems to be pretty good. Seems like it's pretty decent mouse. Let's get to some ratings. Yeah, so for value, 5 stars. It's $13, like I said. The build, ambidextrous is killing me. Also, the overall is 4.5. I think that's fair. Like I said, it would have been a 5, man. It's just, I really can't deal with ambidextrous. So for someone who can deal with that, it's probably more like a 5, but, as usual, thanks for checking out the video, and definitely appreciate that. And, if you like what you saw, go pick one up. If you didn't, I understand. I'll definitely be putting the link in the description. Just remember to, like and subscribe and tell your friends. And you guys have a wonderful rest of your day.